Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to read another set of sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. This is my pet dog. Again, this is my pet dog. Your turn to read, children. This doll is mine. Again, this doll is mine. Your turn to read, children. This fruit is sweet. Again, this fruit is sweet. Your turn to read, children. That is a bird. Again, that is a bird. Your turn to read, children. That is a penguin. Again, that is a penguin. Your turn to read, children. That is my school. Again, that is my school. Your turn to read, children. She is my friend. Again, she is my friend. Your turn to read, children. She is my classmate. Again, she is my classmate. Your turn to read, children. She is my sister. Again, she is my sister. Your turn to read, children. He is my brother. Again, he is my brother. Your turn to read, children. He is my best friend. Again, he is my best friend. Your turn to read, children. My favorite color is red. Again, my favorite color is red. Your turn to read, children. My favorite food is pizza. She is my friend. She is my classmate. She is my sister. He is my brother. He is my best friend. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is pizza. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.